So, summary of the section 1. There are three distinct stages of the process of washing the fabric in water, and each one is forbidden. So first one is soaking. It is forbidden to soak any absorbent fabric in water or another cleansing agent, or to pour water on absorbent fabric. That's it. So soak meaning you put the fabric in there in some basin, right, with water, let's say, or pour opposite. Take water and pour on fabric. Okay. Put fabric, put like short in a sink and pour some water on top of it, right? So it would be forbidden. This prohibition does not apply to the not absorbent fabric that is leather, for example, leather, or to soak in absorbent fabric in dirty water, right? Or to soak in absorbent fabric in dirty water. Okay. So dirty water, again, as we said, just to remind us, it does not do us any good, right? It does not clean the item. With respect to absorbent fabric that is clean, we follow stringent view of poskim who prohibit soaking it, right? But as in the case of towels, so which is very very practical, since we make it dirty, we not make it clean when you wipe dry our hands on it. So that's right. That's why it is allowed. So and next stage is scrubbing. It is forbidden to scrub or agitate any wet fabric. This prohibition applies even to non-absorbent fabric. Plastic may be scrubbed gently but not forcefully. Okay, so not absorbent fabric, as we said, leather and plastic and other things. Well, he said plastic in different category. Okay, leather. Okay, wringing. It is forbidden under biblical law to wring out the liquid from absorbent fabric that has been washed. It is forbidden by rabbinic decree to wring out liquid from non-absorbent fabric. Non-absorbent fabric that traps the liquid between the fibers, right? Or from hair. So we said that like bottle brushes, something, or toothbrushes, or hair. Okay. This prohibition does not apply to material that neither absorbent nor trap fabric. Okay. So and we're going to see, I think, that one of the very practical example, right? If you allow to shake your raincoat, right? You came from outside, it was raining very hard. It's very wet. So of course it's not absorbent. It's made of, I don't know, some synthetic material, some rubber, like nylon or whatever it was. It still, you're not allowed to shake it like very strongly. Why? Because it's it is ringing, right? In some sense. So when we say ringing, we squeeze it, but it could be like when you do whatever actions you do and you getting rid of the water. So in some sense, it is ringing. Have to be careful.